How can I add a gift card to my Apple Wallet?
Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to add a gift card to your Apple Wallet. Having your gift cards in your Apple Wallet makes it easy to redeem them at the point of purchase. Let's dive in.
Ensure your gift card is supported.
Firstly, it's important to note that not all gift cards can be added to Apple Wallet. The gift card must be Apple Wallet compatible.
Locate your gift card's digital code.
Every gift card that's compatible with Apple Wallet will have a digital code. This code can be found in the email or website associated with the gift card.
Adding the gift card to your Apple Wallet.
Here are the step-by-step instructions. 1. Open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. 2. Tap the plus symbol in the top right corner of the screen. 3. Choose the option that says Scan Code with Camera. 4. Scan the digital code of your gift card. If you can't scan it, you can tap Enter Code manually to type it in. 5. After scanning or entering the code, tap on Add in the top right corner to add the gift card to your Apple Wallet.
Accessing your gift card.
Now that your gift card is added to your Apple Wallet, it's easy to access. Simply open the Wallet app and you'll see your gift card among your other passes. Tap on the card to view its details, including the remaining balance. And that's how you add a gift card to your Apple Wallet. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and that you'll enjoy the convenience of having your gift cards all in one place. Happy shopping!